crap. I'm gonna kind of blaze past this part. You guys have seen me take the front bumper off this car several times before, so I'll give you a time lapse. So whoever buys this car next, depending on how in detail they look this car over, I mean, they'll be able to tell you. You can see some scratch marks right here where, you know, it's obvious that I was trying to get a screwdriver under there. And there's some other scratch marks around here, but I don't know. Hopefully I can get this sold pretty quick and then buy a Type R. Then you're just gonna grab onto it, pull out. Ooh, look at that. Still have some wrap in there. I'll be able to take that out. Good. Oh, whoops. Crap, I forgot all the crap under there. Idiot. Next, take off all these clips down here. Pretty easy stuff. There's one last thing on top that you gotta do after you move everything from the bottom. These, you gotta get this off right here. And you just gotta poke your screwdriver down on that through this hole, and it will allow it to release. Let me show you guys. There we go. There's more of those freaking things in here. Everything with this car, man. Everything's a big to-do. Okay, where's that side? Crap. One light off. Another light off. Success, guys. I've decided to turn a new leaf, and I'm actually going to start to stay organized. I have a bag here for the buyer, the hardware. The first thing I took off was this little screw. Actually, those two little screws, where the hell are they? Right here. Yeah, these little things. What do you think? All right, I took this 10 mil off right here. Now, looks like I need a pretty big hex tool. You're gonna need a 5mm. So we watched Wonder Woman the other night, and I was not that impressed at all. That's all I have to say. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes since the last time I stopped filming, and this really is not that hard. I was able to get this off really easily with these gloves. These gloves really help. All I did was loosen this one right here, took this off. These are the last two bolts that are holding on this intercooler to the car right now with this bracket. So I don't want to leave it hanging on one side for too long, but I'm trying to get these pipes out so that I can get room to get in here and get these two bolts off. I just unscrewed the top of this pipe here. I'm gonna try to get this all off without taking it apart, but we'll see. Like I said though, it's coming out very easily. Okay. Just put my hand in here. You can see how easily that comes back off. There we go. That's it. Not too hard. I'm gonna get this thing out of here so I don't lose it in the car, in the engine bay, I mean. Now, let's see if we can get this out of here. Oh wow, that's super easy. Oh my goodness. Guys, that just happened. Awesome. This is flying by. I've only been up here for like, I don't know, less than an hour. Let's go. All right, here we go. Oh crap. There. All right, now I need to take the charge pipes out on this side. Go all the way up here. These are definitely gonna have to come out in pieces. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Charlie, you need to sit. Thank you. Oh crap, I'm just now noticing something. Look at this. This was like that. I did not touch this today. That's kind of concerning. Ooh, that is sort of concerning. I never noticed that. Oh crap, even, yeah, the other one too. I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone and buy some of those today. Again, this one was really, really easy. It's gonna come right out. It's the hose clamp that's causing problems right now. There we go. All right, so this one was kind of annoying, but that's okay. Now, everything else is right up top here. I could take this out, make it a little easier, but I don't think I am. Should be able to come out by hand. It's going pretty well. It's actually coming apart a lot easier than I thought it would. So I want to show you guys some things right here that I just noticed, and I wish I knew before I started like ruining them. But there are these they're gonna be two sensors that are gonna be in this pipe right here. This one, I kind of messed up the clip right there. You can see it's kind of broken. I snapped some of the stuff off. All you had to do was, after you get the screw out right there, all you had to do is stick a screwdriver under here, or just yank it out. Stick a screwdriver under there and just pry it out. And the same thing for that. I stuck a screwdriver just like this, and then I went, nope. And then right back here, this is super easy. I mean, I unscrewed it, and then I stuck my hand right here and gave it a couple wiggles, and it came right off. So now, make sure I secure my hose clamp. Hose clamp secure. I'm gonna try to get this out in one piece. Can I do it? Look at that. I'm gonna make sure I clean these off before I mail them out to the seller, or if the seller is local, I don't know. I have someone who lives downstate in California, and he wants me to ship them out to him, but I've lost him in my sea of direct messages on Instagram. So, and I didn't flag his conversation. I should have. I'm gonna let all this go for $600, which is a really good deal, because right now it's almost $900 new with shipping and everything, or taxes. So okay, so now we have this pipe here. This is the stock pipe. It's so much smaller than the PRL. Stock intercooler and piping is trash. Trash, trash, trash. Oh, okay, so this mount actually is PRL. I forgot that. So that mount right there, that silver one to the left of my hand, that comes with the PRL kit. All right, Vivian got home about 2 hours ago now, and I took a break for about 2 hours. So I just came back out about 10 minutes ago, and I was able to get all this stuff back in up here and get that charge pipe in and get it connected right here. So the whole entire, this would be the left side of the intercooler and piping is back on. Shouldn't be too much longer to get that stuff on. Success. Got that up there in one pass. I need to loosen up this hose clamp a little bit. I'm not talking to myself, I'm doing a YouTube video. Almost had it. Easy. Easy money, guys. Now, when you guys are doing this right here, do not tighten anything yet until you mock it up. So you want to get everything all into place before you start tightening the bolts. I am going to be making a full review of the PRL intercooler after this stock one's back on, because if you guys remember, before I put the intercooler on, I thought that IAT, just IAT, was the post intercooler temps. I was incorrect. It's actually IAT2. So the whole entire time that I was driving the car around before I got the PRL intercooler, I was looking at the IATs thinking that they were IAT2, the intercooler temps. So I actually don't have accurate data to go off of to make a good comparison between the stock and PRL. So now I know I can look at all my race videos that I've done since I got the intercooler on, and after I do a wide open throttle pull with the stock intercooler, I'll be able to look at the IAT2s and then tell you guys the difference in temperatures. There. The best place to grab it is like right here. I have my box down there to support this while I plug in fog lights. There we go. No, don't fall. What'd you guys get for Christmas? I got my parents each AirPods, and Vivian got me an Apple Watch, among other things, but I'm most excited about the Apple Watch. I also have Vivian's engagement ring in, just haven't proposed yet. I showed her it and she really likes it. I mean, she picked it out, so she better like it. Okay, stay. Dude, are you kidding me, man? There. Now this thing here, a little easier with two people, but definitely something you can do by yourself. All right, it's go time. Let's give it a start. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. Almost had a heart attack. I'm gonna go drive around and warm it up, and then I'll see you guys in a second. I just want to point out that, so my car says it's 51 degrees. It feels a little cooler than that. Again, I'm in Northern California in the Sacramento area. And yeah, this ECT engine coolant was just at 154. And then I've been stopped for a couple seconds and it dropped to 150. So this is a very, very efficient engine. In fact, there have been reports, there have been actually complaints from owners who live in very cold climates about the car never actually reaching operating temperature. So the first couple of years there was that and oil dilution in the colder climates, and Honda had to, I'm pretty sure they just did like a software update, but look at that. My ECT has dropped again, 147. The highest I think I've ever seen it was probably 185, and that was in the summer when it was like 100 degrees here. So far, my IAT, so cold air intake temps, are 60, and IAT2 is 57. I don't want to go over 3,000 RPM before it's at operating temperature. Also, I don't want to give it more than 2 pounds of boost. So far, it feels good. I don't feel a difference. Damn, this thing handles so well. Oh, what is up with this traffic? I was supposed to do my pull here, guys. Interesting. Oh my, oh, there's a car that flipped over. It's upside down. Holy smokes. All right, guys, what's the hold up here? The most I just saw was about 10 pounds of boost, maybe 12. And my IAT2 is 68 degrees, while IAT is 60. All right, I think I have sufficient space for a pull. I'm gonna do a 4th gear pull here. Everything went up. Intake temp is 68. Intercooler is 80. Okay. There we go. 78. Now there's a 16 degree discrepancy between those two. And I never saw that big of a difference between those two temperatures with the PRL intercooler. So it doesn't take much to show you guys how much less efficient the stock intercooler is. When I do my full review, I will do more pulls and try to find a warmer day, but I mean, it's pretty cold up here in Northern California.